face my struggle, there you come along. You hold my hand and you embrace my soul. You come to see me when I'm feeling down. I feel your presence by my side. Life's so exciting, God, when you're with me. Life's so comforting in angels' company. Whenever friends are reaching out for me, I see your presence by my side. Something strange at first glance, then I realize you have made a promise. I'll be by your side. The joy and happiness that I feel right now are very precious gifts God bestowed on me. No matter how unworthy I may be, you always whisper, I am here. It was strange at first glance, then it dawned on me. You have made a promise. I'll be by your side. A friend like Jesus, who can ask for more? A friend forever, who is always there. A friend, our Savior, call him by his name. My friend forever by my side. A friend forever, Savior, always by